One day, a little white puppy was walking on the road. Suddenly, a truck hit him. The puppy fell down and started crying in pain. Pink Cow saw him and quickly ran to help. She ran to get a medical box, but on the way, a big scary bear blocked her path. Pink Cow said, "Please move. My friend is hurt." The bear understood and let her go. Pink Cow reached a nearby village and said, "Please give me a medical box. My friend is in pain." The villagers gave her the box. She ran fast back to the puppy and helped him stand up. Then she safely took him home. If you have ever helped someone, comment yes, and don't forget to like OK.